Oh, Courage, what a lovely haircut.
Oh no, not more!
Eustace, could you fix this dreadful squeak?
Oh!
Eustace?
Yeah, all right.
Eustace? Eustace, could you get this darn can open?
Yeah, all right.
I'll get it. Oh, Courage, you got the mayor.
Here.
Thank you, Eustace. Eustace?
Stay calm! Stay calm!
You still haven't fixed the chair.
Hello, Mr. Cat. Hello, Mr. Cat. Hello.
Such a dreadful noise it's making.
Stay calm! Stay calm!
Can't you fix the chair, Eustace? I know you can fix it if you try.
Stay calm! Stay calm!
Eustace? Well, if you can't fix my chair, could you at least thread my needle?
Yeah, fine. Oh. There we. Oh, what the?
Courage, remind me to tell Eustace, whenever that man gets back, to fix this chair.
Stupid dog!
We interrupt this program to bring you Courage, the Cowardly Dog Show! Starring Courage, the Cowardly Dog! Abandoned as a pup, he was found by Muriel, who lives in the middle of nowhere with her husband, Eustace Bear.
Ah!
But creepy stuff happens in nowhere. It's up to Courage to save his new home!
Stupid dog! You made me look bad! What?
That's it. Eustace, I want a new mattress, and that's the end of the matter.
Mattress special.
Oh, a mattress special?
With our mattress, we'll change your life forever.
Oh, so exciting.
Are you ready to change your life forever?
Oh, yes, I want to change my life forever.
This sounds too good to be